Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by lining up prerequisites. Confirm Windows version and whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit so you download matching components. Once done, grab the Directx web installer and the exact cabinet. Cab file name reported by the error. Make sure you're on an administrator account, free up a few gigabytes, and temporarily disable real-time antivirus to prevent blocked writes. Start the installer, but don't click through blindly. You will extract files manually in the next step to control where the cabinet goes. You now extract the installer instead of letting it auto-run. Launch the Directx executable with the /x switch and choose an extraction folder you can access. Once extraction finishes, inspect subfolders to locate the named cab file causing the error. Copy that. Cab into the same folder as the setup. exe or into C, /Windows/temp so the installer can find it. Make sure file permissions allow installation, if needed. Right-click and run the installer as administrator to continue the control. To finish, run the Directx setup from the extraction folder that contains the cab and accept any elevation prompts. If installation still fails, stop and check file and folder permissions, run System File Checker, sfc/scano, and dism to repair Windows components, then retry the setup. Once installed, re-enable antivirus, reboot, and validate Directx with DXdiag. One key troubleshooting tip: if the cab remains unreadable, recreate the extraction folder on a simple path. C /dx extract.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.